I'm really fucking bored. So I just took apart this whole ass keyboard, like circuits and everything. I don't know if this is the fucking. I just took apart this whole ass keyboard because I felt like it. If this is what quarantine has come to for me, I like why. My original idea of what I wanted to do was like I was gonna take this apart and then cut off this bit of the keyboard, which I know sounds completely dumb and stupid because why? But then I realized I can't even do that because for this keyboard, for this specific keyboard at least, the point at which the circuit lies is like right here. So if I cut off this bit, then the keyboard basically useless. It's not gonna function as a keyboard. So this was a dumb idea from the start, and now you're gonna just watch me put it back. Yeah, I wrote nice here because why the fuck not? You know, I gave this bit of a wash because all of this is useless. Okay, I did it because I could. Now you're just gonna watch me put it back together. This keyboard right here, by the way, is a Lenovo SK8 something. Oh yeah, it says right here, SK8821. I don't know what you can do with that information, but there you go. You know what keyboard it is. Gotta put on the foreskin. Why I did any of this. Although I do have to say that from doing this I learned a lot more about keyboards than I thought I would. I was just expected to take it apart, chop it. Oh yeah, by the way, the other reason why I couldn't really chop it is because the only cutting tool I have is this, which doesn't do shit because it's plastic. Plastic for some reason, big strong. So I couldn't even do anything. Okay, so see, you put the foreskin on and then just go around here, put this on. Like, quarantine is making me do stuff I didn't think I would ever do. I didn't think I would be taking apart keyboards and putting them back together. But you know, you just do it. No previous planning. I didn't even have the idea to make this video. I just was like, you know, I'm gonna take apart my keyboard. Let's see what happens. I did. That's it. That's all the planning that went in. And then I was like, you know what? It will be funny if I made a video about it. Huh? So funny, people big laughing. I need video ideas. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Why is this not screwing in? Fuck. Oh no. Screw that. Screw that up. Hey, screwed that up. Get it to some fun. I'm so funny. Oh, yeah, okay. I got like fucking professional grade tools to do this as well. Not like seriously. I got like fucking bunch of this stuff. Some iFixit tools, a whole fucking kit for iFixit tools, just so I could mess up opening the keyboard. These three holes right here, this one, and this one, I didn't realize those were screw holes. Like I just thought because they were hidden behind the, how can I show this? They were hidden behind the label right here, this one. So because of that, I didn't think they existed. So literally I took apart most of the screws, and then in the end I got so mad that I couldn't find the last three screws that I was just like yeet. So I literally broke these points of screwing in. Like I just wanted to get it open so badly because I just wanted to get it done with today. I wanted to do it today, not tomorrow. I didn't want to delay it because I'm not that type of person. Okay, so we did this bit, we did everything. I think now we put on the fucking wet case. Oh god, that's a lot of water. here? No, because I have another keyboard. I mean, I don't want to do it on top of the thing. Hold up, I'll just do it here. Water. Okay, that. Let's continue. I'm going about this very fast because why not? It's the efficient way. Also, if this video seems very unprofessional, honestly I don't give a shit if it looks unprofessional. I took apart this keyboard unprofessionally. Did I give a shit then? No. I did it because I can. What the how? It's not a bit of an issue. What's happening? Okay, that's that. Cable's in right. That's in right. It should just be able to pop in, right? I hope that was a satisfying click and not a I just broke everything click. Yep. Okay, that is one of those satisfying clicks. That's a bit of an issue. I didn't think that would happen because of the 3 broken points. I don't know if you can see that. There's now more gap than there should be. I don't know what I can do about that. I broke that part of the keyboard. Do the keys pressy? The keys work. They do key things. Enter and backspace are kind of mushy. I don't care about this keyboard enough to fix those issues. Okay, so now we got the screwing in of the bottom side, which okay. Aha! I'm so fucking shaky. I'm on crack right now. Oh, is it gonna go in? Oh, I did it. Okay. Okay. What do I plan on doing with the knowledge that I've learned after breaking completely and then repairing this keyboard with this perfectly good keyboard? What can I do? I guess I can be a tech fixer or whatever, but I don't know. I feel like I've taken 15 drugs and then some. Okay. The sound you're hearing in the background is my chair because I keep standing up and sitting down. You can probably tell from my shadow. Hold up. Yeah, you can see the outline of me. That's how unprofessional this is. You didn't come here to watch a man professionally take apart and put it back. Right. There's not a screw in the middle. Yes. Oh, by the way, the way I've organized the screws is like this, so I know in each spot where the screws are. I do this with everything. Even when I took apart my Nerf gun at some point, both of them actually, I did this technique because it helped me to remember where each screw goes in and in what configuration. And sometimes that's really important because screws can be different sizes on the same thing. And if you're Apple, who likes putting no two screws can be the same, then you have to do one of these techniques, because otherwise you will completely be lost. Okay, I don't know why I'm starting off with the hardest ones first. This is the ones under the rubber feet. I don't know if you can see that. There, that's what a rubber foot looks like. It doesn't really help that everything on this keyboard is black as well. The screws, the back, just everything is just black. So if you can see anything at all, I'll be surprised. If you can't, that's what I expect. Okay, we got another point here. I don't know why the quality looks so bad. What the hell? Wait. I can use this camera, the close-up camera. But then yes, it looks better. But then it's really close. I didn't even fucking screw that in. It just came with the rubber foot. Bruh. We put it in. Haha. We put it in. That's a joke. Take that as one. Then we screw it right in. Again, this screwdriver is like really like nice and stuff because it auto twists, so you don't even have to re-grip it again every time. Just all these professional tools, and I still manage to mess it up. I truly am the greatest assembler and disassembler of I don't know. Okay, don't judge. Okay, that one done. We are down to 3 more screws left. If you wanna do this to any one of your things, like if you just wanna disassemble something that has screws and stuff, I highly recommend going under the labels, because this is not the first time this has happened to me where I've had to peel apart a label to unscrew it. And some companies do this on purpose. They put their warranty sticker type thingies, whatever, they put them on those labels. You have to peel off to get to the screw. They do this so that when you peel it off and get to the screw, they know that the screws have been tampered with. Only some companies do that though, not a lot. Some just do it on places you can open easily. Bruh, these screws are so tiny, what the hell. And with this final screw, we are done. This keyboard is now as it's supposed to be. It clicks and stuff, it does clicky thingies. It's a keyboard, what can I say? Look, here is the wire that connects to shit. Okay. Bye, thanks for watching, and why did you watch this? Okay, that's it.